This video will show you how to lube the O-rings on a cat style outlet water pressure regulator. The tools you'll need for this job are a 3/8 ratchet with a 1/2 inch socket, small flathead screwdriver, a 15/16 open-ended wrench, and a bottle of super lube. First step in this process would be to remove the cap that's on the end of the handle here. There's a small hole in the side. Insert your screwdriver in there and give it a twist and follow it around until you pop the cap off. Next step would be to remove the locking nut on the end of the screw here. Use your 1/2 inch socket on your 3/8 wrench. Make note of how many turns it takes to remove the nut so you can return it back on with the same amount of turns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. About 7.5 turns. Next, you want to remove the knob itself by unscrewing it. We don't need to take it all the way off. We just want to have it so the spring moves so we can get a wrench on here. Next, we are going to remove the stem. We're going to use our 15/16 wrench and loosen this nut right here. Once we get the nut loose, just twist it off with your hand. Once we have the stem out, we want to inspect the O-rings and make sure they are not distorted or torn. Once we have confirmed that our O-rings are in good shape, we're going to go ahead and apply a light coat of super lube to them. Once we have lubed the stem, all the O-rings on the stem, we're going to replace it back into the regulator housing. Snug it tight. Once our stem is tight in the housing, we're going to turn our knob back in. And then we're going to replace the lock nut on the end. Remember, we counted 7.5 turns when we took it off, so we're going to put it back on 7.5 turns. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.5. The last step of this process is replacing the cap. And that concludes lubing the O-rings on a cat style outlet pressure regulator.